In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsend or recall an email in the Outlook desktop app. Understanding how to do this can save you from those occasional moments of panic when you realize you've sent an email prematurely or to the wrong recipient. Let's walk through this process step by step so you'll know exactly what to do the next time you find yourself in this situation. First, you'll want to open the Outlook desktop app. Make sure you already have it installed on your computer, as this feature is only available through the desktop version and not through the online webmail service. Once Outlook is open, direct your attention to the navigation pane on the left side of the window where your email folders reside. You'll want to click on Sent Items, which is the folder that contains all the emails you have sent. Now that you're in your Sent Items, locate and open the email that you want to unsend. It's important to double check that this is the correct email to avoid recalling the wrong message. Once you've opened the email, you need to look at the top of the window. Here you'll see various tabs such as Home, Send, Receive, and so forth. Click on the Message tab. This is where you'll find the options needed to recall your email. In the Message tab, keep an eye out for a section labeled Actions. It might be located on the right or left depending on your version of Outlook. Click on Actions, and you should see an option to recall this message. Selecting this will open a dialog box offering choices for how you'd like to handle the unsend process. You'll notice two main options. The first option reads, delete unread copies of this message. This selection is ideal if you simply want the email to disappear from the recipient's inbox, assuming they haven't already opened it. If the email has already been read, this recall attempt won't be successful. The second option, delete and replace with a new message, allows you to not only remove the unread email, but also edit and send an updated version. Choosing this option will open a new draft of your email where you can make necessary corrections. Once you've decided on the best course of action, confirm your selection. Remember, successful email recall can depend on several factors, including the recipient's email settings and server compatibility. With that being said, perform a quick review of your revised message to ensure it's correct, especially if you're opting to send a replacement. And there you have it. Whether you're recalling an unread copy or sending a revised email, understanding these steps can really come in handy. Keep this in your back pocket for the next time you need to retract an email and save yourself from potential mishaps. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.